Good morning, this is an update video for Marduk. You can see that I've started assembling her in the new area. Kind of surreal seeing this around a place of my childhood, but I've started replacing the wood in the torso with PVC so it's easier to manhandle, and that includes the roof. So I can now get up there and assemble it all by my onesie rather easily. You can see some of the pieces of the old roof over there. And all I have to do is start connecting all these wires and cables up. Hopefully I remember how. And then try driving around on this green lumpy stuff. I don't know what it is, but I've also done a slight renovation in the cockpit. I've also got a overhead light, which is red, and that's kind of neat. Also means I can more easily work in the dark. And connecting up some of the wires for like the headlights and stuff to the car battery, so now it should run even better, and I'll probably end up putting a few more switches in here to power all the like accessories and stuff. And I've streamlined the bottom of the torso with the legs and stuff, so now it's just one bolt everywhere, and one of these nice bolts with the hex heads instead of the weird carriage bolts. And just beyond those trees is actually a road. You can probably hear a big old semi roaring by, but that also means if people are looking out their window when they go by, they're gonna see a giant robot in the backyard. So gonna be getting some people doing whiplash and going, what? But as I mentioned before, only thing I gotta do is tighten down a few things, put the arms on, and should be all set to go, and maybe figure out what to do about some of these gaps here. Maybe put some of that foam mat type stuff, you know, like that in the seams so light doesn't leak out and it doesn't look as crappy. So that's all for this video. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and if you know people who like giant robots, share it with them. They'll like this too. So until next time, build giant robots in your backyard. Bye-bye.